Welcome to a comprehensive guide on pea cultivation, focusing on the critical first month of growth.
Our journey begins with land preparation. Peas thrive in well-tilled, clod-free soil.
Deep ploughing followed by harrowing creates the ideal fine tilth for optimal root development.
Proper leveling is essential to prevent water stagnation, which can harm young seedlings.
Next, we select quality seeds. Uniform, disease-free seeds are the foundation of a successful crop.
Seed treatment is vital. Apply a suitable fungicide and rhizobium culture for disease protection and nitrogen fixation.
Allow the treated seeds to dry thoroughly under a shaded area, ready for sowing.
Sowing begins. Create shallow trenches or lines, maintaining the recommended row-to-row spacing.
Sowing depth is key. Seeds should be placed at a uniform depth, typically 2 to 3 centimeters.
Ensure the seeds are adequately covered with soil and gently pressed for good seed-to-soil contact.
Simultaneously, the basal dose of fertilizer is applied, providing essential nutrients like phosphorus and potassium.
Where necessary, a light irrigation or pre-sowing wetting is performed to aid initial germination. The first few days are a period of waiting, as the seeds absorb moisture and prepare to sprout.
Germination starts. Look for the tiny seedlings emerging, a sign of successful sowing. A healthy, uniform stand of seedlings indicates good seed quality and proper cultural practices.
The young plants are now drawing on their stored energy for early growth.
Join us for our next segment on managing the crucial flowering and pod set stages.
The young pea field thrives, a testament to proper planning and execution.
Proper plant spacing ensures adequate sunlight and air circulation, minimizing disease risk. Monitoring soil temperature is important, as peas prefer cool conditions for germination and establishment.